Okay, we will now look at worksheet 5b, linear equations with fractional coefficients and fractional equations. That means you will encounter fractions in your equation. So for example, in 1d of worksheet 5b, you see a fraction of 3 over 8x. So how to get rid of 3 over 8? Okay, let's do it slowly. First, we need to get rid of the negative 1. We need to add 1 on both sides. Okay, so 3 over 8x. You add 1 on both sides. The negative 1 will be gone, so add 1 here. So 3 over 8x will be 3. Okay, there's a fast way to get rid of 3 over 8. Both sides divided by 3 over 8. Alright, so shall we do that? Okay, for this side you can press your calculator. Okay, for a start you do this, but in future you can just ignore this step, writing down the arrow. 3 divided by 3 over 8. Okay, let's write down. 3 divided by 3 over 8 is 3 times 8 over 3, which is 8. Okay, if you don't like this method, then I'll suggest another method. Okay, which is slowly getting the numbers away from x. So for this, we to get rid of the 8 is the only one at the denominator. So we multiply both sides by 8. Multiply by 8, multiply by 8. Multiply by 8, multiply by 8. 3 times 8 gives me 24. Okay, and next, both sides I have on the left I have 3x. To get rid of 3, I divide by 3. Divide by 3. I believe most of you will prefer this. Okay, because it's clearer, right? Divide by 3. So you get x equals to 8. Okay, next question. 10 minus 3/4 x equals to negative 5. I believe I'll use the same strategy. Get rid of the 10. Both sides minus 10. So 10 is gone. 10 will appear here, but as a negative 10. So negative 3/4 x equals to negative 15. Now the strategy I'm going to do is both sides multiplying by certain number. So to get rid of the denominator 4, both sides are multiplied by 4. Multiply by 4, multiply by 4. So negative 3x equals to negative 60. Now both sides, what should I divide by to get rid of? I'll get rid of negative 3, so I will divide by negative 3. X equals to negative 60 divided by negative 3. We get 20. Alright, so once you have reached the expert mode, you don't have to write all this. Okay, just ignore. Okay, because logically as teachers we will understand your steps. Okay, you multiply by 4, you multiply by 4, then you divide by negative 3, you divide by negative 3. Okay, right, next, 2 over 7x equals to 3x plus 19. Alright, for this question, okay, I'll leave the 19 over there. I'll bring the 3x over. So 2 over 7x minus 3x equals to 19. You can press our calculator. 2 over 7 minus 3. That's the fastest way. If not, I believe you like this method of changing common denominator. So 3 is 21 over 7x. 3x equals 21 over 7x. So if I take away 2 over 7 minus 21 over 7, actually I get negative 19 over 7x equals to 19. How to get rid of the denominator 7? Like what I've said earlier on, you can multiply by 7. Multiply by 7. So negative 9x equals to 70. 133. 133. Yeah, okay, then how to get rid of the negative 19? Both sides divided by negative 19, right? So divided by negative 19. Both sides divided by negative 19. divided by negative 19. I believe you'll get 7. Okay, sorry, negative 7. Okay, let's press our calculator for that. Okay. Alright, next. Okay, last question of this page. Alright, so I'll expand the right hand side. So I get 3/5 x plus 4 equals to half x minus half, because I multiply half into the bracket. I'll shift all the x to one side, all the numbers to the other side. 3/5 x minus half x equals to negative half minus 4. Now 3/5 x minus half x. Shall we use our calculator to calculate? Okay, what is 3/5 minus half? 3/5 is actually about 0.6, right? 3/5 is 0.6 minus away half, which is 0.5. Actually, you get 0.1. 0.1 is actually 1/10x equals to negative 4.5. So, how to get rid of the denominator 10? I need to multiply by 10 on both sides. Times 10, I get x. Times 10, I get negative 45. Okay, this may not be your favorite method. Like what I say, you can actually you can make common denominator here. Then you can do a different method. Okay, and you should be able to get the same answer as me, negative 45.